So in this video, I'm going to show you how to handle this page isn't available right now on Facebook. So just open your Facebook account, your Facebook application, and it shows you this on your screen. Just like this, you open and shows you this page isn't available right now. And this is Facebook and shows you reload page. When you try to reload the page, nothing shows up. So just make sure you watch this video until the end and subscribe if you're new here for more tech tips, tricks. So first things first, just make sure you have sufficient data on your device so that you don't have this problem. And then go there and then go to app information and select Facebook app and make sure you clear cache, just like that. Clear the cache and make sure Facebook is not restricted within your country. Make sure your data connection is on, just like that. Turn it on again and prove that you have sufficient data bundles to run the Facebook application. And then after that go back and open the Facebook application. Head back and open the Facebook application. When you open the Facebook application, after doing all the other steps I told you, it will open and it will start loading, as you can see on your screen. That is the trick. That is how you can solve this page isn't available right now on Facebook. See you next time. Hit like if you like this video. Thanks for watching.